In this video, I'm going to show you how to customize Firefox homepage widgets step by step so you can make your new tab page look and feel exactly the way you want. Whether you want to turn on the weather, show the clock, enable sports, or keep the homepage clean and simple, this tutorial will walk you through everything in a few easy steps. If this helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Let's jump in. First, open Mozilla Firefox on your computer. Once Firefox is open, you want to get to the Firefox homepage. The easiest way to do that is by opening a new tab. You can click the plus sign at the top of the browser, or you can use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+T. If Firefox Home is already set as your default homepage, then it may appear automatically when you open a new tab. Now that you're on the Firefox homepage, the next step is to open the homepage customization settings. To do that, click the three-line menu in the top right corner of Firefox. This is the menu icon that looks like three horizontal lines. From there, select Settings. Once the settings page opens, look at the left sidebar and click Home. This will take you directly to the section where you can control the Firefox Home layout and widgets. Next, scroll down until you find the Firefox Home options. Here you'll see several different widgets and homepage features that you can turn on or off. Depending on your version of Firefox, you may see options like lists, timer, sports, clock, and weather. These are the homepage widgets you can customize. If you want any of these widgets to appear on your Firefox homepage, just tick the box next to each one individually. You can enable one widget, several widgets, or all of them, depending on your preference. For example, if you want to see the weather every time you open a new tab, tick the weather option. If you want a quick glance at the time, tick clock. If you follow sports updates, enable sports. And if you want a more organized homepage experience, you can choose the options that best fit your workflow. Firefox saves these changes automatically, so you do not need to click a separate save button. As soon as you make your selections, the homepage settings are updated in the background. To check your changes, simply return to the Firefox homepage or open another new tab. You should now see the widgets you selected appearing on the homepage. If you do not see the changes right away, don't worry, just refresh the page or open one more new tab and Firefox should display the updated layout. And that's it. You've now learned how to customize Firefox homepage widgets in just a few minutes. It's a simple way to make Firefox more useful and more personal every time you open a new tab. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.